In the given figure, angle PSR equals to, means we have to find angle PSR. What is given? PQR is an equilateral triangle and QRST is a square, means this is an equilateral and this is a square. We have to find angle PSR. So let's do it. Now, in triangle PQR, angle PRQ equals to 60 degrees. PRQ equals to 60, because why? Equilateral triangle and every angle is 60 degrees. Now in quadrilateral QRST, angle QRT equals to 90 degrees. Why? Because it is a square, so each angle is 90 degrees. Therefore angle PRS equals to what? PRS equals to 90 plus 60, 150, right? So in triangle PQR now, PR equals to RQ equals to QP. Why? Sides of equilateral triangle. PR, RQ and QP. All these sides are same. Similarly in triangle quadrilateral QRST. All these sides QR equals to RS is equal to ST is equal to TQ, right? So from this what we know now, you can check this. RQ is common in both. So it means all these sides would be same. PR, RQ, QP, QT, TS, SR, all would be same, right? So what happens now? In triangle PRS now, PRS, this triangle only. In triangle PRS what will happen now? This PR becomes equals to RS, because we have already proved it over here. Okay. So PRS is what now? Isosceles. Now this is isosceles, means what? These two angles RSP will be equal to RPS, because isosceles triangle and base angles, right? Now in triangle PRS we know one thing. See here, angle PRS plus angle RSP plus angle SPR equals to 180 degrees. But we know PRS 150, just now we have found out, and we know that these two angles are same. We have just proven it over here. So 2 RSP, instead of writing both the angles, I can write this as 2 RSP, because same. So 150 plus 2 RSP equals to 180 degrees. So 2 RSP equals to what? 150 on this side, it becomes 30 degrees. Therefore RSP is what? It becomes upon 2, that is 15 degrees. So angle RSP equals to 15 degrees now. You can call this PSR or RSP, anything.